Okay, so I'm going to do a quick review for people that were struggling with writing out all the sample spaces. Remember, a sample space is not something that happened or some one thing that could have happened. It's listing out every single possibility that is possible, the whole list. So if I'm flipping one coin, that means I could get heads or I could have tails. That is the entire sample space. Those two things. Because either I'm going to have heads or I'm going to have tails. All right? It's not one or the other. It's you list out the whole thing. So if I'm flipping two coins, I could have had heads the first time and then heads again. I could have had heads the first time and then tails. Right? That's something different. I could have had tails the first time and then I could have gotten heads. Or I could have had tails the first time and then tails the second time. And that's it. Now, also know that you can use your counting skills, and that'll make it easier. If I flip a coin, there's two possibilities, right? One coin, all right? One coin, two possibilities. Here, I had two coins, so I would have the first coin, and then the second coin, right? Remember box method, those of you that were okay with box method? The first coin has two options, the second coin has two options, you multiply across, and that is four total possibilities. So if I have a family with three children, right? The first child could either be a boy or a girl. The second child could be a boy or a girl. And the third child could be a boy or a girl. Multiply across, that is 8 possibilities, which would be boy, 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 girl, boy, girl, boy, pretend that's a G, boy, girl, girl, or girl, boy, boy, girl, boy, girl, 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 boy, or girl, girl, girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 different possibilities. So, if I'm rolling 2 dice, right? There's the first one, here's the second. Pretend that's the second. 6 possibilities for the first one, 6 for the second. Multiply across, that's 36 total things. You ready? Hate me time. That'll be a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 2, 1 and a 3, 1 and a 4, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 6. Or 2 and a 1, 2 and a 2, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 4, 2 and a 5, 2 and a 6. Or 3 and a 1, 3 and a 2, 3 and a 3, 3 and a 4, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 6. 4 and a 1, 4 and a 2, 4 and a 3, 4 and a 4, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 6. Or 5 and a 1, 5 and 2, 5 and 3, 5 and 4, 5 and 5, 5 and a 6. Or 6 and 1, 6 and 2, 6 and 3, 6 and 4, 6 and 5, or 6 and a 6. That is all 36 possibilities. All right? You're going to have to get good at counting and figuring out the sample space. We're not going to do a lot of drawing out the entire sample space, but you have to know how big it is, and you have to be able to figure out how many of these are going to be ones you're looking for. We're going to get better at it. The only good thing is, with this e-learning thing, we are going to take it slower than we used to. So you have to, if you stay with it, it's going to be okay, and it's all going to click, and you're going to be fine. If you only kind of halfway do this stuff with me, it's going to get a struggle, because we're going to be building off of this, and this is so far just simple probability. We're going to get to the tough stuff in no time, believe me.